Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe.
Good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. I am Małgorzata Pakulska. I am Business Development Manager of Europa Property, and I am hosting today's show with Winston Norman, our Chief and Editor of Europa Property. The 14th Annual Europa Property CE Retail Awards, it takes place on the 27th of January. It's just 9 days away, so it's high time you booked your award sponsorship package. I hope you have all seen the shortlist of companies which we posted last week on Europa Property and event websites. If you haven't seen it yet, you can check it on these websites. We are still adding several new retailers every day. And now MIPIM, the biggest real estate fair in Europe. It takes place in the middle of March, and Europa Property is again international media partner of that fair, with extensive distribution of Europa Property Ultimate Real Estate Guide, which will be distributed throughout the fair as well. If you would like to run an advertisement in this edition, just let me know, because the deadline is the 20th of February. And jump into the annual Europa Property SEE Awards in Bucharest. That event takes place at the end of March the 31st and takes place at the Radisson Blue Hotel in Bucharest. We are still accepting nomination and have several excellent sponsorships available. So just let us know if you want to take part in it. Now we'll take a short break and we will come back after that with Winston Norman, our Chief and Editor of Europa Property, who will announce us real estate news for the day.
Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards, with over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail. All ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal making, retailer presentations, and CEE Retail Forum. In the evening is the awards gala, which starts at 7 in the evening and finishes late into the night.
Welcome back, Winston. Please tell us what is happening on real estate market.
Thank you, Gosia, for the nice introduction. Good morning, everyone. And today we'll start in Hungary, where Europa Capital and Convergence have bought the Akadémia Business Center in Budapest. The acquisition has been completed on behalf of Europa Capital's latest value-add fund, which is the Europa Fund VI. The project is located on the banks of the River Danube and has recently served as the headquarters for Radisson Bank, but now the bank are fully vacated, and the property offers significant opportunities for refurbishment and repositioning. Robert Martin, partner and head of investment at Europa Capital, comments that the location is a top location and the asset has a lot of opportunities to undertake the company's usual high standard of refurbishment, and the prime office availability in the heart of Budapest at the moment is scarce, underpinning the business case for this investment. Staying in the investment market and moving to Poland, where European Logistics Investment, a logistics platform in Poland, has sold the 61,000 square metre warehouse project located in one of the main logistics areas in the Silesian region, which is Park ELI Tychy. The building was acquired by Rico, a leading Czech investment company operating in Central European region, for around 60 million euros. The project was recently completed and was developed as BTS together with ELI strategic partner Panattoni. The company is 100% leased to a company from the retail sector. And according to Hubert Rosser, he's Senior Vice President of Investments at Griffin Capital Partners, he says a BREEAM certified modern logistics project in the heart of this region, secured with a long-term lease agreement to a recognised retailer with great connectivity within the Silesia and CE regions, is undoubtedly a great and safe investment. Staying in the investment market and moving to Estonia, and a local buyer has acquired the Messe Hotel in Tallinn. The transaction was accompanied by Christie & Co. The hotel is located in the immediate vicinity of Tallinn's international airport. Currently is the only hotel near the airport and offers around 132 spacious rooms. And despite the pandemic, the hotel has been performing well over the past few years and remained open throughout the past 2 COVID years. New owner has taken advantage of the development potential of the property and will rebrand the hotel as an Accor München hotel. Coming back to Poland, and Ninver has obtained a BREEAM in use certification for factory Gliwice, and now its whole portfolio in Poland has been certified under the BREEAM certification. Factory Gliwice earned a very good rating in asset performance and was certified excellent in asset management thanks to the strict sustainability criteria introduced in the centre's management model. And according to Ninver, who say they believe that making the right environmental decisions helps improve the well-being of our tenants, employees and communities, and also helps to ensure adequate risk management of the assets for our investment partners. And finally for today, CTP has appointed Harry Benetine as Group Head of Client Relations based in the company's headquarters in Prague. Benetine was previously a partner and regional director at Industrial at Colliers in the Czech capital. Prior to that, he was National Director, Head of Industrial Agency for the Czech Republic and Slovakia for JLL. And according to Raymond Voss, CEO at CTP, he says CTP has had a long and fruitful relationship with Harry in his previous agency roles. His in-depth knowledge of the CE industrial and logistics real estate markets and industrial network of contacts is impressive. So he's very well qualified to lead our group client coverage and business development activities. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please log in throughout the rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.